Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get data from other forms in Jotform tables. This is incredibly useful when you want to consolidate information from multiple forms into one organized view, making it much easier to analyze and manage your data efficiently. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to jotform.com in your web browser and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the forms you want to pull data from. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard where all your workspace options are available. Now, at the upper left of the page, look for My Workspace and click it to proceed. This section is your central hub for accessing all your Jotform resources, including forms, tables, and other tools you've created or have access to from the Workspace menu. Select My Tables. This will take you to the area where you can view all your existing tables or create new ones. In the upper left of the page, click Create Table. This is where you'll begin building your new data table that will pull information from your existing forms. When prompted, click Start from Scratch. This option gives you full control over how your table is structured rather than using a pre-made template. Next, look for Plus New tab in the upper left of the page and click it. From the options that appear, select Table, then click Next. This step is essential because it establishes the framework for your new table before you connect it to your forms. Now comes the important part. Click Connect to Form, and then click Next. This feature is what allows you to pull data directly from your existing Jotform submissions into this table, creating a live connection between your forms and your data view. You'll now see a drop-down menu where you need to select your preferred form. Click on the drop-down and browse through your available forms. Once you've found the form you want to connect, select it and click Next. This establishes the primary connection to your form data. Here's where you can really customize your data view. Choose the form you want to pull data from your list of forms by dragging them into the Table View section. This drag and drop interface makes it easy to organize exactly which form fields you want to display in your table and in what order they should appear. Finally, once you've arranged everything to your liking, click Create. Your table will now be generated with all the data from your selected forms automatically populated. Any new submissions to those forms will also appear in this table automatically. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Jotform table that pulls data from your existing forms, giving you a centralized place to view and manage all your submissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.